Hello, this is Matt Jorma, and today we got a short unboxing, Airsoft unboxing. And this time it's from Pro Airsoft, so let's take a look. We got here my new, nice, very cheap, let's open it. Yep, still looking, yep. Okay, let's open. The package, oh boy, like that. Okay, let's open this receipt from here. Let's take out this one. Okay, so here's the receipt. Here's everything that I have bought, so let's take a look. A little bit closer. Oh, that's too much. Like that. Yeah, let's open the rest of it. You must be careful with the knife so you don't cut yourself. Maybe I'm going to cut myself soon. Okay, let's put the knife away and open this. Ooh. Some paper wrappings. Throw that away. And here we got a Cybergun Extreme Blowback APS-3 gas for my gas grenade. It cost 70 euros. Then we got 5 of these Kalashnikov energy drinks, and they cost €1.50 each, so 7.5 euros. And then we got, oh nice, my mini battery with Tamiya for my scar. It cost 20 euros, and I need this really for my scar, so this was, it's combat system. Nice. So I'm going to destroy it already. And then we're got Swiss Arm speed reducer. You put this instead of your flash hider, and this will take down on the velocity of your gun when you shoot. And we need, oh, it's by the Cybergun licensed, and we need, my brother need this from his Yingong G36K, because it's we are going to play on the Pro Airsoft arena someday. It's an in-house arena, and there's only 100 meters per second you can shoot, and it shoots about 1 to 20. Okay. There we got off for today, and transport was 8.90, so 72 and 35 euro together. And this was all today. Oh, I forgot. One of my subscribers asked for some target shooting, but I'm sorry, I can't do it right now or for about 1 month, because it's too cold outside and it's snowing. It's a lot of snow. It's about 60 centimeters of snow, so I can't do that. The FPS will lower, and because of it's cold outside, and yeah, but I will do it. I will do it. And we are getting, yes, I have ordered something that you might like to see here, but I don't know when it's coming. It goes at least 2 weeks, so see you then when we, or if I get my other order, so let's see for that later. And thank you for watching now, and hope you enjoyed this time 5 minutes long. And let's, yeah. And thank you, and hope you subscribe, like and favorite this video, and leave a comment if you have something that I should do different to improve the quality of these videos and so on. Yeah, but see you and bye bye.